demonstration. So those few students, they travel all the way to Jaipur Central and have their first conference on the 9th of October 1939, and that was the formation of this organization. The Saptaka even indicated who know and the Tundavata who Rajin medical area, Kayakon Dinova, the Sapaka Nam in Puitruga, some Penny, Tandam Hunter, in the Takanera, in the Tirana, no Chico Makana, the Puy, the Corona. Program which is taken in the or Munkadia, and very much not of Lukadilas. But in terms of the them, reason that them make an hour of the Sapon and Mala painting to them. Adopt the HSA in the December, in some of the Paso of the Pitaka, in both sides, I was setting a fair in Rosega, the board field was taken up, Namla, in Kerala, football, education, I can tell you. They would say like the blue elite title, NCS and Caribbean loans, I don't know that you can relate. The blue, the Hayhouse and Shinela, Namla, Dictator, in Rosega, the football field was in the direction. Football from Indian City. And long day, I come up to Tapani like in the school, so Monitana, Aklina, who in I have said in the Basta, Cake Liman, Kanula. The board will high, come down right, no Manila Captain, 10 6 and Example, the board will come down, Loping, and that you did that in by opening in the board, it gets it and you can get that, I call from that day to Milano, the board and another to be like in the way of the kitchen and the top so the website upload it but in terms of the HSA waiting around the certain level to a half to number of music track the children literally know the shopping, many number of items to get the data, and total data, until it was the number they take so in existing money in communication data, to make action, I have not data of education. Sugroi tak takeover, sugroi quality lauma, because in the Silla profession, Pundrachani lanes. HSA, but here to a sailor, over branches of all the data. Collectum, a way more in another, or a way more likely, but here a way more. So, now kill an apartment. HSA, HYA, are it we had. We want to see the market, we want to see the market. They come from Canada, meet high at the target, the killer of waiting in the that's the time in this hypothetical in Mamukatia. Bring up the much if I look at the loss of the
First of all, I would like to welcome all the friends for a new beginning of their life, for their career, and I would also like to wish my heart wishes to the Khmer Students Association for completing their 75 years of existence. As compared with Khmer Students Association, Khmer Students Association are our elder brothers. We have just completed 55 years of our existence, but yes, congratulations, now you have completed your 75 years. As compared, we are much junior than the HSA, but yes, we have the same goal to uplift our brain and to show the vision that we have in our upcoming youth and upcoming children who are the futures of tomorrow.
Nikum kan bilain serius ini kawa kusul kondoma. So building komitam pakai ya na so tulis sorry tu pemilangai kaitanwa, kami sorry itu berapa. So itu HSA akan tansi dia tu kata komitam dia proses. 1970 le di 77 kongkaran blok ini lalu asal le kokin. So blok apa tu di 36 General Assembly kan mulai kan joint headquarter di Nalong Pelega tu joint headquarter di Anam Gela NC Hill joint headquarter di Napia sun 1993 kan HSA General Assembly tersang pula 45 General Assembly renggai rumah tulai sun dipu di marke emulang so ini ya Lepas itu telah terjadi COVID, NC dan kajian longsanya kuota ini, ini bangsan jauh itu. 1993 kan NC dan kajian longsanya kuota ini bangkala. Jun 1989 kan mudah HSA jadi itu masalah. Jun kayak itu mudah pulih bersulit dalam mesin atau unikom coba subihari kombinasi. 89 kali mudah unikom tu sepesun mulam unit tak mual oleh di pulai di eighteen di Prisaba songku pasal 1997 kan di HSA unit yang kena tu sepes di bosun ni jadi di pulai di high secondary di college di Mansa unit di mana unit umum di unit ini mana tanpa ini bukan Ibu kami branch inung binaka nikum komkan isi binga silama iyo kaya tentu kami HSA General Assembly datang tu bilik binga serta kumutya cuma cun nakita ega soal kafilan dapat ibu ingin sutung lah cuma cun ibu soalnya kuota mari bilang sama branch sama kakak tu dia mari nangi amuntia Ilang Hero Tun di 1993 NC dan kajian longsanya kuota ini menggunakan kini pemaham siap tersangkut assembly akan kerja tutup meminang di 11 to 14 muda ini di Polres ini matop di Inggris sehingga la Kongresa ini Kongresa Tun lapor Kongresa yang mulai ini dengan dia anak tu di bukan tu apa itu komisen lah, lalu tu komisen lah di kopi masa lagi nang ini yang di unit ini belum suka lah di unit NCN dan proyek kota di Amerika assembly di osat tadi di proyek kota dan sebuah komisi susun dalam isi dengan itu. Tunggu sunyi di lagi di komisi itu cái con mình vượt rồi trong nền nhà dù đi vượt rồi đi ở bên vùng xe mà dù tôi cái president mà yang sẽ làm cũng xếp tại cái vùng mà để người trong cái gieo này cái sẽ đóng chứ nó sẽ lo nghe
Certificate of appreciation awarded to his broken HSLC examination 2014, securing second division. Anwar Vijay. Mr. John Rohan Begum, in appreciation for his excellent achievement in the HSLC examination 2014, securing second division. Anwar Vijay. Certificate of appreciation awarded to Ms. Dalrapeng Mar in appreciation to her excellent achievement in the HSLC examination 2014, securing second division. Anwar Vijay. Certificate of appreciation awarded to Ms. Latanpai Kyangde in appreciation to her excellent achievement in the HSLC examination 2014, securing second division. Anwar Vijay. Certificate of appreciation awarded to Ms. Betsabi Zate in appreciation to her excellent achievement in the HSLC examination 2014, securing third division. Anwar Vijay. Certificate of appreciation awarded to Ms. Darinmoy Gurde in appreciation to her excellent achievement in the HSLC examination 2014, securing third division. Anwar Vijay. Achievement in the BA Geography examination 2014, securing first division. Anwar Vijay. Mr. Philip H.L. Zate. Mr. Felicia Lalrapsan Mar. Ms. Rebecca Kungkui, Protect Engineering Bank. Mr. Roshan Bordor. Liberty Lamum Zate. Certificate of appreciation awarded to Ms. Puspa Taman in appreciation to her excellent achievement in the HSLC examination 2014, securing third division. Anwar Vijay. Francis Pangui Proficiency Test Award 2014. This award is presented to Ms. Dalshinkar Bungo, daughter of Dalrenli Bungo, for her outstanding performance at the HSLC 2014 examination, securing the highest percentage marks among the 2014 HSLC candidate of Margority. P. Francis Pangui Memorial Cash Award 2014, rupees 1,000.
Wow. recording na to pa eh.
Out of many, you are one of the successful candidates. Asan initial training?
Asan tu kathim layan ma kathim bicham pinazar kathim ko makamil nagata kay ko matin na iyo walay na kaya kung pasok mandin na kaya katong kaya na katong kaya namin mo
Ato ta, mga birthday boy.
Let me move on and check again. Laya, HSM Dodinam, containing a even lane, a Loma to Rising. Question with one moment to Gamea. Question 2, Damien Nighter. Mark Namsang counting a point of 2 minutes.
Mà nói như mà bảo hạt đích tập thi đam nhiều tập thiện từ lạnh khắc định tập thay tiền
Okan marap. Okan marap. Okan marap. Okan marap.
Masak ini kan tidak keras. Susuk dia ni. Gunahai kemai Im sulu chung inge laulan ngomong. Ini namun sih.
Kebicu dia berbeli karena luar jadi dia ini kembali. Jadi dan bosco gue beli kalau saya tahu mana? Kenapa sih? Dia masih ya. Yang tumai ni sih na. Yang cuba itu pun tak ini ada. Cuba itu pun tak sih. Supaya bisa yang tahu.